Hello viewers and welcome back to Campus Wala. So guys, today we are going to talk about one of the premier institute which is situated in Delhi NCR, that is ISBS Gurgaon. तो guys, आज के वीडियो में हम आपको बताने वाले हैं about ISBS Gurgaon. तो बने रहिए हमारे साथ वीडियो के एंड तक to know about the courses, fees, placements और यहाँ तक के लोकेशन तक की सारी information. So without taking much time, let's get started. So guys, International School of Business Studies Gurgaon, also known as ISBS Gurgaon, formerly known as RGI Gurgaon, was established in the year 2006. It is a private institution and it is approved by AICTE. So guys, now let us understand about the courses which are being offered in this college. So this college offers BBA as well as MBA plus PGPM program. First, let us understand about the BBA specialization. So BBA is offered in banking as well as finance, logistics and supply chain management as well as healthcare management. Now when we talk about the specializations of MBA plus PGPM program, so these specializations include HR, marketing, finance, logistics and supply chain management, healthcare management as well as many others. So guys, under the program of MBA plus PGPM, the students undergo minimum 8-month training, that is on the job training as well. In addition to this, the students are also being sent for an industrial foreign trip for around 4 to 5 days, and also they get various certificate programs under various specializations for value addition. These certificate programs are highly in demand in the corporate world. Various advanced certifications are also being provided, such as in data analytics, HCM, business analytics, Excel, as well as financial modeling and many more. So guys, अब हम जानते हैं about the fee structure. So the total fees of MBA plus PGPM is approximately 3,90,000 rupees. Now if you want to take admission in this college, what will be the admission eligibility? So the candidate must hold a bachelor's degree with minimum 50%, and the exam scores which are accepted here are CAT, MAT as well as ISB-80 exam. The CAT cutoff is 70 percentile or higher. So guys, now let us know about the placement figures. So the highest package is 12 LPA and the average package is around 4 LPA. The top recruiters are Dell, Zomato, HCL and many other companies as well. Now when we talk about internships, so the students undergo a mandatory internships wherein they get stipend as well as experience certificate for the job they have performed. So guys, now let us know about the infrastructure. So the campus has all the modern facilities for the students. It includes lab, laboratories, spacious classrooms as well as hostels. Now when we talk about the location of the campus, so Gurgaon railway station is around 7 kilometers away from the campus and Indira Gandhi International Airport is around 22 kilometers away from the campus. So guys, this was all about ISBS Gurgaon, and if you want to know how you can get admission in this college, whether there's a management seat or special seat or not, or how you can get admission in this college if you have low CAT scores, or if you want to choose which college is suitable for you based on your profile. For all such admission related queries, please give us a call on our helpline number so our academic counselors can guide you in the best possible way they can. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned on Campus Wala for more such informative content.